Hello everyone, my name is Jo. I'm a diabetes educator with the Sunshine Coast Diabetes Service, and today I'm going to show you how to test your blood glucose levels using the LifeSmart meter. I've got 4 pieces of equipment here to complete the test. I've got a finger pricking device, I've got my little needles to prick my finger with, I've got the LifeSmart meter, and I've got a pot of strips. So the first thing we need to do, very important, is to wash our hands so that we don't have any food on our fingers which may cause an incorrect reading. So the first thing we need to do is prepare our finger pricker. So for that we need to take out a blue lancet, and we need to take the end of our finger pricker so that we can put the needle in. And so if you can see the arrow, so we need to twist down towards the arrow and then it will pull apart. I'll do that again. So in the reverse it would go back on that way. So I'll do it again. So in the direction of the arrow, twist and pull apart. Okay, then we need to push this end, not the round end, into the end here as far as it will go, and then using the body of the pen, twist to take off the end, exposing the needle. Okay, then we need to replace our cap. So in the reverse way to the way we took it off, to snap it back on again. And then I'd just like to show you at the end here, if you can see there's different gradients of the little pictures there of when we twist this, it changes how deep the needle will go into your skin. So some of you will need a deeper needle penetration than others, so you can play around with that. But for these purposes, we'll just set it about halfway along. Okay, and then we need to prepare the needle, so we need to draw the needle back in readiness to prick our finger. So the way we do that is we just pull the grey end and we let it go. Okay, and then you'll notice this little plastic window here was clear and now it's orange, which means it's ready to go. Okay, we can reuse this several times, so after we've discharged it we can just reset it. Discharge, reset. Okay, so that's all ready for us, so I've just put that down for a second. Now I'm going to get my meter, take out one of my strips, make sure that I close the lid because the air can affect the strips. And if we look at the strip here, you can see the direction of the arrows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the strip into the hole here in the direction of the arrows, push it in as far as it will go. And when I do that, my meter wakes up for me, so I don't need to turn it on. It will turn on itself when I put the strip in. Okay, then it says at the top, if you see, it says GEN, Gen. So here I need to press my green button and change it to, it says AC there, and there's a full apple, which means if I do a test before I eat, first thing in the morning, that's the setting that I need to choose. If I'm going to record a test after I've eaten, I need to press the green button again, and now it says PC, and there's an eaten apple core there, which means it's after food. So you need to set set it so that that information then goes through to the app, so that we know whether it's before breakfast in the morning or after a meal. Okay, so now I'm ready. I've got my meter ready, my strip in, and I've got a blob of blood flashing, which is telling me I'm ready for the blood on the strip. Okay, I've already got this prepared earlier. So now what I'm going to do, I've got my clean hands, I'm going to choose the side of a finger, and I'm going to press very firmly on the side, that little hole there. I'm going to press very firmly, and while I press, I'm going to press the orange window, and then I need to milk this so that, can you see the blob growing? So I need about this much blood, and then I'm going to take the strip and I'm going to bring it down on the blood like that, and then it starts to count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you need to, I'll do that again, you need to hold it on there until you see the blood actually climbing up through that little line strip there, and when it's accepted the blood. So what you don't need to do is to sort of scrape like this. That's not the way we do it. We bring it straight down on that blob of blood. Okay, and then after 5 seconds it will give you the reading. So mine's saying 5.6, so that will be transferred through to the app. This strip you can only use once, so we pull that out and we can just throw that in the bin. I'll just wipe my finger. But as I said before, I can use that needle again, so the next time I'm ready to use this, I can just reset it and that window will go from blank to orange again. And that's all there is to it.